Hi again. This is part 2 of completing the heat loss and heat gain worksheet in order to complete the heat loss and heat gain as required by the Canadian Standard F280-12. This is page 2 of our worksheet, and in section B we have our design conditions. For this example, we have decided that the house is being built in Markham, Ontario. And so when you look in the outdoor data of your design manual, you should find that for Markham, the outdoor design temperature for heating, or the outdoor design temperature for winter if you like, is -6 degrees Fahrenheit. The indoor design temperature, IDT, will always be 72 degrees Fahrenheit. This is constant right across Canada. It doesn't matter where you are building. This is considered the indoor design temperature that is applicable no matter where you are. For the current design procedure, the mean soil temperature is not required. On the heat gain side, or cooling, and once again you would look at the outdoor data from your design manual, and you can find that the outdoor design temperature for cooling, or the summer if you like, is 88 degrees Fahrenheit. The indoor design temperature, IDT, for cooling is going to be 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, this indoor design temperature is consistent across Canada and is always going to be 75 degrees inside temperature when calculating a heat gain calculation. The north latitude for Markham is 43 degrees, and the summer mean daily temperature range, as established from the weather data, is 20 degrees. This summer mean daily temperature will be important in assessing our heat transfer multipliers for the solar heat gain through glass. Now we do have a few other lines to fill in: building volume, HRV, apparent sensible effectiveness. Right at this moment, we haven't actually done any of these calculations, so we can't fill any of this information in. So at the moment, this will remain blank, but we will come back to this. As well, the heat loss and heat gain summary, these will all be filled in once we have completed the actual worksheet. So despite this being on page 2, we do have to come back to this page and transfer all our information from our workspace into here so that building departments reviewing this application can look at the summary without having to go through all the individual rooms.